Leetcode Isomorphic string. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So in today's video, we're going to look at one of the challenges that we did during a live stream. So I have the link down in the description below. Also, if you can go ahead and do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and notification bell if you are new here. These are the type of videos we do. Micro videos, one subject at a time. So what this challenge did, it was very interesting. And you have to really pay attention to these coding challenges because I believe they are very, very similar to real life examples, and they're similar to the problems that I had and I had to overcome. So in this challenge, this isn't a cipher shift because you may say, oh, well, this is going to be easy. I'm going to find out how far apart A and E is and then shift everything over. It's not. It's an association problem. So I had never heard of isomorphic, so I looked it up and I still don't really know what isomorphic is, but I'm going to explain to you what the challenge is. So we have a string S and we have a string add. Well, basically we have one E and two G's, one A, two D's. So you can associate E to every A and G to every D. So since you can interchange those, this one returns true. But now here's an example. We have foo and bar. I don't know if you've ever seen those, but those terms are kind of used a lot in the programming world. Don't know where they originated from. It's very similar to the hello world kind of thing, and I for the intermediary temporary variable. So foo and bar. So F, okay, you can associate with that with B, maybe O associated with A, but now you have a problem because O is associated with an R. Well, that doesn't work because it can't be associated to two different letters. So this returns false. Now here's example 3. Paper and title, you get true. So we came through and we tested a variety of these. Now also, one of the other reasons why I really like these coding challenges is because the edge case testing is unbelievable. So we were going through and we were associating S to T's. So in that direction, we were going in one direction and we had to solve. But now the challenge basically had the association go in the other direction. So we got here and this string and this string are kind of very similar, right? Well, then we failed. And then we passed that. And then we came up, then they came up with another example. So the solution that we derived, it was very interesting, and it was a group effort, and we kept thinking about it and going through it, and that's why you need to make sure you're on the Discord server, because we're having all these ideas go back and forth, and I know I'm getting smarter and stronger and honing and sharpening my programming skills, and I hope we're doing it for the rest of the community as well. So what we did is we zipped these and associated this into a dictionary. And what we did is we did it in both directions. We went S to T and T to S. So what we first noticed was if the dictionary length was different, it automatically wasn't going to match. So we associated S to T and T to S. So if they're exactly the same, they should be the exact same length. So that was one of the first things we did in one of our optimized versions. So if they're not the same length, they cannot be the same. So then what we did is if they were the same, then you had a whole other strategy that we had to walk through. And this is how we did it. So I know it's very hard for everyone to be able to join the live streams, but they are posted and published immediately after we get done. So you can actually kind of follow along and see a live coding happening at one time. I do it so you can see in real life that I make it, when I do a video, it looks very prim and proper, and it looks like I sit down and I have it all figured out, and that's not realistic. So that's one of the nuances of the reasons why I do the live coding, is so you can see how I think through things, how I problem solve, and to kind of show that you're not alone. Everybody has to have a trial and error while they're programming. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Please make sure you're joining the Discord server so you're getting all the help that you need and deserve. And as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.